Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Today we are going to learn 10 lines on computer. A computer is an electronic machine. It helps us to do many tasks quickly and easily. We can write, draw, calculate, and play games on a computer. Computers are used in schools, offices, homes, and hospitals. It works with the help of hardware and software. The main parts of a computer are monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. Computers help in online learning and searching information. We can also watch videos and listen to music on it. Computers make our life faster and easier. It is one of the most useful inventions in modern life. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.